The honorary guest on the stage and parents, students, and dear friends. It's an honor to be here on this platform. I congratulate Spandana Ida International Foundation for conducting such wonderful program, and it's really a big honor to be here. And today my topic is physical fitness is a true asset. I hope the speakers who were speaking from yesterday and today, giving out so many aspects about life. And today I am going to speak about fitness. So, living, everybody is living, but what is real living, we'll come to know by the PPT. Yeah, please. So, what is physical fitness? Our education system has designed it wonderfully, but we miss out the essence of physical fitness. So it is the health, body, mind and spirit, physical, mental and social. So I hope everybody have this asset which is free to all. You need not buy, it need not you cannot buy it. It is such important asset, but you need to use it. The strategy, the discipline, how you are going to use that asset matters a lot. Yesterday, we have seen Sir Kulkarni garu was explaining about wellness. So the important skills here are cardiorespiratory fitness, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, body composition. So these are the important, very important physical fitness aspects. So what is physical health? That is very important. It refers to the state of the body in composition, development, functions and maintenance. Our body is used to take things inside. So the input, everybody is aware of the input which is going inside. But you should be aware of the output which it comes out of the body. The body is made of the chemical reactions. As you know, the importance of this function, maintenance of the 5 sensory organs. Fitness is correlating with the 5 sense organs, the nerve system, the spinal cord and the brain, internal organs. So these 3 aspects go in sync with physical fitness. There is no other way. Whoever uses the asset of their physical fitness, which is a true asset, can lead their life in dimensionally, lead their life success in everything. So the benefits, as you all know, when you are using the asset of physical fitness, the strength, the bone, you have seen, everybody need to balance things. So the earth is balancing. So there is one wonderful saying, ఎక్కువ తింటే అనారోగ్యం, తక్కువ తింటే అనారోగ్యం, బ్యాలెన్స్గా తింటే చెప్పండి స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆరోగ్యం. So life is balanced, the earth is balancing. So the physical fitness gives you the balance of mind, soul and body. The mind and body are not separate. What affects one affects the other. So physical fitness తో మీకు రెండు సింక్ అవ్వాలి, ద మైండ్ అండ్ బాడీ. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ద కోఆర్డినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఓన్లీ బాడీ. సో స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. అందరూ అశ్రద్ధ చేస్తారు. ఏమంటారంటే ఫిజికల్ ఫిట్నెస్ అంటే వీ ఫీల్ లేజీ అండ్ లెథార్జిక్. ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ మేడం ఐపీఎస్ గారు చెప్పారు మీకు. అవన్నీ వర్కౌట్ అవ్వాలి ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ అంటే యూ నీడ్ టు డూ ఫిజికల్ exercises. So exercise is very important, and this is one of the happiness chemicals which we lack in us. So, how to hack this? You can see in this slide dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphin. So, dopamine, the reward chemical. Dear students, you can check out regarding these chemicals: oxytocin, the love hormone, and the serotonin, the mood stabilizer. Endorphins are painkillers. So the person who doesn't have endorphins are going to get pains, not because of some illness. It is only due to the endorphin not flowing into your body. And the brainwave test to prove that when we use positive words, if a person is speaking positive, the endorphin chemical flows into your body and you are energized. So it is very important. Mind and physical fitness are, you need to sync both of them. So the brain is very important organ where it gives the functions of five sense organs. The most important thing is diet. When diet is a strong medicine, dear children, dear students, diet is very important. What are you going to eat? It should be a nutritive diet having the correct value. When diet is correct, can you repeat? What will happen? When diet is correct, you are not going to fall sick. So you are very healthy. There is no need of medicine. There is no need of any type of disease or stress. So please focus on your diet. In your daily diet, what are you eating? What are you exercising? Second point, what are you eating? Okay? Then the positive thoughts vibrate from your body through the flow of endorphins. So it is very important, the calories. The calories are the energy fueling bodies. So you need to burn your calories. If the calories store into your body, then the disease start. Obesity, cancers, there are various diseases where we are facing now in the society. And one very important, that person who is immune. As you know, 2020 was hard hit by COVID-19. Dear students, who improved or who are going to improve their immunity are only going to survive in between these situations of such very dangerous disease. So mind you, physical fitness improves and enhances your immune power along with your diet. So the next slide, the research which gives out the information is, you can see, there was a research done, math score and reading score. The student who has done exercises, physical exercises, could score in maths 91.1 and the reading scores 1.4. So you can see the margin, see the difference, the improvement in their flow of endorphins and their activity. So dear students, the importance of physical fitness, exercise is the most important aspect of life. You are living, you need to put your steps forward and walk. That is the exercise which everybody doesn't wish to do. So the increase of the endorphins and the chemical reactions gives out you a very good result of the brain, where concentration, memory power, attention skills, these are all enhanced to you with the simple asset of physical fitness, which is free to everybody. You need not go and buy it. So exercising only changes your body, it changes your mind, it changes your attitude, it changes your moods. The mood is very important. People say, I am interested, I am not interested. Students, delete the word interest from your life. Until and unless you delete the word interest from your life, it is not possible to achieve your goals. So, impossible will be deleted when you delete the word called interest from your dictionary. So mind you, never use the word interest. And it totally depends that nowadays there is a lot of distractions where people are not at all focused on their goals and dream. And my request to you all is to have a role model. Everybody, I think, will have a role model, can guide you to your life and goals. Walking is the most ancient exercise, still the best modern exercise. Dear friends, walking gives you the complete thing. And one more very important point, you all know there are HDL and LDL cholesterol levels, which is only possible with walking. You get good cholesterol by only doing walking. So physical fitness, how many are you are fit? Can you raise your hands? Students, you're not fit? Students, nobody is fit here? శారీరక స్ట్రౌచర్ మీ దగ్గర లేదా? డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఓకే, ఆల్ ఆర్ హెల్దీ అండ్ ఫిట్, ఐ హోప్ సో. రేజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్ హూ ఆర్ ఫిట్. నోబడీ ఈస్ ఫిట్ యా? ఆరోగ్యంగా లేరా మీరు? స్టూడెంట్స్, ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉన్న వాళ్ళ చేతులు ఎత్తండి. ఓ గుడ్ 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 నంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, సో ఫిజికల్ ఫిట్నెస్ is not a hobby. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఫిజికల్ ఫిట్నెస్ is not a hobby or a habit. It is a matter of self-respect. ఎవరికైతే సెల్ఫ్ రెస్పెక్ట్ ఉంటుందో వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఫిజికల్ ఫిట్నెస్ ఖచ్చితంగా వాళ్ళు దాని మీద యాక్ట్ చేసి ఆ అసెట్ని వాళ్ళు ఖచ్చితంగా వాడతారు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. యువర్ హెల్త్, your food habits, yoga, meditation, and training your mind. Unless train your mind, you won't find success. So it is very important to think positive, be sociable, eat healthy, keep your mind active and learn things. These all are possible only if you exercise. Only, what are you going to do from tomorrow or today? Students, tell me, ఏం చేస్తారు? వ్యాయామం ఒక్కటే మార్గం, ఇంకా ఏం మార్గం లేదు. So continuous exercise contributes to your brain release of endorphins. Endorphins reduce intensity of your pain sensed by the brain. బ్రెయిన్కి తలనొప్పి రావడం, స్ట్రెస్ ఉండడం, లేజీ అవ్వడం, ఇవన్నీ మాయమవుతాయి ఎప్పుడంటే మీరు ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయగలిగితేనే ఇది పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. And it is very important. Next slide. Yeah, the beautiful life begins with beautiful mind. Yeah, listen students. ఇప్పుడు మనము I want to take up one small activity of 1 minute. If you are going to be silent, I would like to observe you yourself flowing the endorphins in your body. Are you ready? Shall we do this activity? Yes? Yes? Yeah. I want you to be very silent and peaceful for 3 seconds. Silence for 3 seconds. Close your eyes and just observe the activity. అందరు కళ్ళు మూసుకోండి ఒక 3 సెకండ్ల కోసం. అండ్ కళ్ళు మూసుకున్నారా? మీ ఊపిరిపైన ధ్యానం పెట్టండి. మీ హృదయంలోకి తొంగి చూడండి కళ్ళు మూసుకొని. ఈ యాక్టివిటీ చేసిన వాళ్ళకి ఎండార్ఫిన్స్ ఫ్లో అవుతాయి. సో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ ఎ ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీ రీసెర్చ్డ్ బై మీ అండ్ అబ్జర్వ్ ద ఎండార్ఫిన్స్ ఫ్లోయింగ్ ఇన్ టు యువర్ బాడీ. కైండ్లీ బీ సైలెంట్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ అబ్జర్వ్. క్లోజ్ యువర్ ఐస్ అండ్ అబ్జర్వ్ యువర్ హార్ట్. పెదవులు చాలా దగ్గరికి ముడిచి పెట్టి కళ్ళు మూసుకోండి. 3 సెకండ్స్ కోసం ఈ యాక్టివిటీ అబ్జర్వేషన్ మీరు చేయవచ్చు.
గుర్తించింది కాబట్టి దాన్ని బట్టి మనం అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు ఎంత ప్రాబల్యంలో ఉందని చెప్పి. డిప్రెషన్ అంటే మానసికంగా చాలా ఒక విధమైన ఆల్టర్డ్ స్టేట్. అంటే మనం కనిపించే ప్రపంచం, డిప్రెస్డ్గా ఉండే వాళ్ళకి కనిపించే ప్రపంచం భిన్నంగా ఉంటాయి. వాళ్ళకి ప్రపంచంలో తన చుట్టూ జరుగుతున్న వాళ్ళ ప్రపంచంలో జరుగుతున్న ప్రతి చిన్న విషయం కూడా చాలా కష్టం.